Good morning, student. Today we will learn about Excel, which is under course code USPH SEC2 ICT tools for physics. There are two units. Unit number one is based on Word, and unit two is based on MS Excel. And there are 8 experiments. Number one is creating spreadsheet and adding information to it, and different types of data. Now I will share. See, dear student, how to open Excel. Just click on the screen and click on new. See the icon, and in new, click on Excel worksheet. Okay. Then here you can rename. I will rename as FY. I will rename as MS Excel. MS EXCEL. MS Excel. Then this is your MS Excel file. Then just double click on that. Okay. And you will get Excel sheet. I have already explained about the Excel sheet. These are the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Similarly, rows 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 5. Okay. Then I will zoom this. Okay. Now see. Uh, then our first experiment name is to create a spreadsheet and enter different types of data. Okay. Then see, dear student, now we will learn about what are the different types of data. Text means alphabets or label. Number means numeric data used for calculation. Date, time means calendar or time values, and formula means expression used to perform various calculations. Okay. Now I have already opened MS Excel. This is your, by default you will get a blank worksheet number one. Okay. Then in the first row, I will zoom. In the first row, row number one and column number one, that is column A. Here, dear student, click A1 and type roll number. I will type roll number. Okay. Dear student, data in A1 is entering in the area of B. Therefore, select boundary between A and B and just double click. System will automatically make a resizing of column. Then select B1 type name. Type name in A9. Select C1 type date of birth. Date of birth. Again, double click on this. Then D1 type marks. Then E1 result. Result. Okay. Then we will enter sample data under each column. A is roll number, B is name, C is date of birth, D marks, and E result. Okay. Now we will enter sample data under each column. Roll number is for numeric data, name means text data, date of birth means date format, and again marks means numeric data, and in the column result we will enter formula. Okay. Now see, we will type roll number, suppose 101, 102. Then we will take suppose first 10 samples, then Again, dear student, type here 101 in A2, 102 in A3. Then first select A2 and A3. Small size, this plus sign means fill handle. Just select and drag. And dear student, first take only up to 110. Then we will type name Amar, Akbar, Anthony, George, Michael, Nelson, then Melody, then Choco. You can type any name. Then here we will type. Yes, then we will type date of birth. Suppose date of birth is 10, 02, suppose 2001. Marks 65, 98, 85, 78, 69, 45, 86, 97, 86. Okay. Then dear student, select A1 to E11. Then make center alignment. Make this Times New Roman. Font style Times New Roman, and font size take 12. First row is generally we will use for title. Select and click on bold. Then here make click on all borders. Click on all borders. Okay. Here student, we can change our uh, title of color. Select and okay, you can change. You can change color. You can change font size, font style. Okay. Now in result, that is in column in E, under column E, select E2 and type equal to if means condition, if D2 means here 65, address of 65 is D2 is greater than or equal to 40, then we will consider as pass, pass, double quotation mark. If not, then fail. This is a condition. And see here one, select A2 and type equal to if D2 in bracket D2 greater than or equal to 40, then result will pass, otherwise fail. And just press enter. Okay. Again select, see dear student, value of D2 is 65, which is more than 40. Therefore, we will get result pass. Similarly, here D3 is greater than 40, D4, D5, D6. Okay, all are greater. Therefore, you will get result pass. For example, we will suppose Anton here. I will make change of 35 and just enter. We will here you will get result fail. Therefore, see, select E2 and fill handle, just double click. See, only here E11 is fail and remaining all are pass. Okay, this is your first experiment number 1, means how to create spreadsheet and enter different types of data. And therefore, dear student, click on File, Save As. We will select Desktop, and here, please, we will write here experiment number 1, EXPT1. Okay, and then click on Save. Yes. Okay, and this is your first experiment number, and from this here uh, a spreadsheet is successfully created and different types of data such as text, numbers, dates, and formulas are entered correctly. And what are the applications? Student result analysis, financial calculation, data management, and reporting. We will do using such type of functions. Okay. Therefore, based on this, dear student, you can write what is a spreadsheet, write different types of data using Excel, what is the meaning of formula, and what is the use of if function. This is your experiment number 1. Here I will rename. This is your experiment number 1. See here EXPT. Understood, dear student? Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I will close this data. Okay. Now we will see the second experiment, which is based on experiment number is how to move data values, editing data values, and inserting and deleting rows and columns in MS Excel. Now we will learn how to move and edit data values and perform insertion and deletion of rows and columns in a spreadsheet using MS Excel. Again, dear students, see again. Now again, for second experiment, click on new Excel worksheet. Click on Excel worksheet. We will rename as EXP2, experiment number 2. Double click on that. Okay, you will get a new worksheet. Now see experiment number 2. Yes. Now, dear student, uh, enter the follow data as per given sheet. First A1, click on A1. I will type roll number. Again, double click roll number. Then type your name. Then marks. Select A2. Write 1, 2, 3. Write name Amar Akbar Anthony. We will write marks 99, 98, 97. Okay. Again, here shown select all data, center alignment, make Times New Roman, click on 12 and all borders. Okay. Heading, make it bold. You can change color. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, dear student, this is part of how we can enter sample data. Then now we will part B editing data values. Click on the cell B2. Click on cell B2 and change the name B2. Change the name Amar to Amar Kumar. Okay. For this, uh, double click. See again. Double click on that and type and just press enter. Again, double click on boundary of B and C. Understood here? This is the part how we can edit data values and press enter to confirm the change. Now, moving data values, select cell C3. Select cell C3. Then use cut. Then use dear student, cut or control X. We will cut and paste it into cell C5. C5 means here. Paste. Just paste. Paste means this. And therefore, see, we can move the data from here. We move data from C3 to C5. Again, select this data, cut, and again paste. Similarly, this is the copy and paste. We can change any, we can move any data. Now, inserting rows and columns. Part number D is inserting rows and columns. Right click on row number 4. This is row number 4. Right click. Therefore, select insert to add a new row. Select this. See, these are the, we can add insert row above or below. Suppose for above, if you want to one row, you can one. If you want to, you can. We will add only one. Therefore, above. Therefore, see, just click on that. Okay. This is the way to add new row. Okay, as per your desired location. Now, dear student, select B. How to insert new column. Click on that and again insert column. You can insert left or right. We will insert left. You can change only one. Therefore, click on left or right. We will insert left side. Therefore, left. See, this is the inserting of rows. Okay. Now enter the heading class in new column. Here we will write class. Therefore, select B1 and type class. Therefore, here we can write FYBSC, FY is only we do it. Then select this and just drag. Similarly, here you can change the row number. We will make, here we will add one more name, Michael, and we will add it. Okay. This is about the inserting rows and columns. Okay, and data. Next, now we will delete rows and columns. Therefore, suppose select row 5, right click, and you can choose delete. CDS student. Okay. Then column, suppose column A. If you want to delete column A, select that column, right click, and choose delete. Understood here what? This is about deleting rows and columns. And then we will save this file. Click on file, save as. Again, here we will write experiment number 2. EXP. See the extension XLSX. Save on desktop and just click on save. Okay. And here students, this is about your experiment number 2. And in experiment number 2, we learn about how we can move data values, editing data values, and inserting and deleting of rows or columns. And thus, data values are successfully moved and edited, and rows and columns are inserted and deleted in the spreadsheet. And what are the application? We can update students' record, modify financial data, organizing large data sets, and then you student after this you should write what is the difference between cut and copy, how can you edit data in a cell, what happens when a row is deleted, and how do you insert new column. Okay. Next, yes, then just click on that. Now we will, yes. Next experiment number 3 is data editing in MS Excel using find and replace and spell check. Okay. Just again click on new Excel worksheet. We will write here experiment number 3 or rename expt. Here you can write it. Double click. I will zoom this. Okay. Now, as per sheet, please enter the data. Roll number one, A1, roll number one, roll number, student name, student's name, C1, city, then 1, 2, 3, student name, 4, student names, Ramesh, Suresh, Mahesh, Ganesh, city, okay. Again select A1 to C5, center alignment, select Times New Roman and 12. All borders, make it proper way, bold, make it bold. I will change this color. Okay, make in proper way. Yes. Next is first type data. Next press using find and replace. Then dear student press Control F to open the find dialog box. If you want to find, therefore Control F. Just click on Control F. See, this is a dialog box. Then search for the word Mumbai. Search, find and replace. Find, Mumbai. I have written in purposely. I have written wrong name, wrong spell of Mumbai. Therefore, find Mumbai. Click on, then click on replace. Replace that and replace. Therefore, we will again replace with right correct name Mumbai. Correct name is spell is Mumbai. And then, dear student, select, click on replace all. See, click on replace all. See again, dear student, C2 is spelling of Mumbai, Mumbai, and C2 and C5 are the titles of city with error, with mistake. Therefore, we will rename with correct name Mumbai, and therefore click on replace all. See, therefore system will complete its search and has made two replacement in C2 and C5, and therefore again you can check whether your changes are correct or not. So this is about the using find and replace. Then we will try for spell check. We will try for spell check. Okay. Therefore, this is okay. Now, dear student, click anywhere in the worksheet. Then press F7. Press F7. F7. Press F7. And to activate spell check, we will activate spell check. Okay. Here, cell 3, but it's not in the. Yes, see, we will. There are different options. We can take suggestions. Okay, from system. Then, yes, the word is not in Excel highlights spelling errors such as I will say. Excel uh, will highlight spelling errors such as Pune. Select the correct suggestion Pune and click change. We'll change suggestion. These are the different suggestion. We will change to Pune. Change. Okay, dear students, see, we change and complete the spell check process, and thus we can okay about the spell check for Excel. Then saving the file again. Save this file. Save as I already and then you can rename. Save. Okay, dear student, this is about your experiment number 3 in Excel. Yes. Again, same. Next, we will learn about to apply data formatting techniques in MS Excel. Experiment number 4. Click on the screen, click on New, and click on Excel worksheet. We will rename as EXP. Rename. Then double click on that file. I will zoom this Excel file. First, open the Excel file, rename, and then enter the following data. Click on A1, roll number, double click on that, student's name, marks, percentage. Then we will enter the data, roll number 1, 2, 3, student names, Amit, Neha, oh, marks 78, 85, 60, 78 percentage, 85 percentage, and 62%. Okay. Select A1 to D4, center alignment, new times new Roman, make it 12, all borders, title, make it bold, change, you can change color. Okay. Now, dear student, font formatting, select heading row, you can change this font size, times new Roman, Bookman old, you can make Bookman old, Calibri, right. Similarly, you can change font size, you can make 16, you can make 20, but generally make it 12 or 14. I will make 14. Again, double click here. Okay. Then you can change font color. You can change all this color. Okay, dear friend, you can make it bold. We will check whether it's bold. Then alignment formatting. Select all data. You can make left, center, right. Okay, or just but generally select center. Okay. Now we can adjust row height. You can change row height. You can change column width. Okay, or you can undo. Therefore, format marks column as number. Okay, marks column as number. Therefore, select all and click on that. So you should click on format cells. In format cells, you will get different types of category. Select on number. Okay, select on number and here make it 0. Decimal place is 0. You can change even this format. Then we will then select D1, which is percentage. This is the 78, 75, 62 percentage. If you want this percentage with two decimal places, therefore select data, format cell, and decimal places we will make two. Let's see. This is about number formatting. Then borders, select borders and cell shading. Select the entire data. Apply already. You can apply all data borders. Even you can make thick. If you want thick outside border, see, you will get thick based on your requirement. Then apply cell fill color to heading row. Suppose if you want this background with color, therefore see we can fill color to heading row, only heading row. Therefore see, you can use yellow, you can use lavender, you can use like this. So see, you can change your colors if you want. Okay, this is about borders and cell shading. Now enter a date in new column. Now here select new column E1. We will write date. Okay, date, and we will apply date format. Okay, now see. Suppose I will use today's. Okay, here we can apply again center alignment. We will apply date format. We will check. Select format cell. Therefore date. See, you can change as per. See, there are different types. These are the different formats. Suppose if you want year, then month and DD, see, you can change. If you want with day, format say like this, see, 14, 15. Okay, based on your requirement, you can change. Again, I will center alignment, all borders. Okay, now add one more column with title fees. With title fees. Suppose fees is 1 lakh, 1 lakh rupees, 1,50,000 rupees, and 2 lakh. We will use here currency mode. Select all currency. Now we will for fees we will apply currency format. Select enter data format sale. Here should see currency. You can use symbol rupees symbol. Okay, depends upon your country. If you want rupees, therefore see, just click on OK. Therefore here, if you want, dear student, dollar sign, so you can change US dollar, then Singapore dollar, Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, Jamaica. Okay. If you want US dollar, click on that. Understood? So this is about the, I will change this color to color. Center element. Okay, this is about dear student, uh, how to change date and currency formatting. Now we will save this file as a workbook. Save as, here we will write EXPT number 4, which is based on how to apply data formatting techniques in MS Excel. Dear student, thank you so much. Now you can make revision of this.